Hello everyone, this is my video for the Database Systems Homework 3. The goal of this project was to finish the MongoDB front end, implement the insert many feature, and deploy the working web app using Render. My project connects a Flask backend to a MongoDB Atlas Cloud database, allowing users to insert both single and multiple data entries from a web interface. Here's my project structure inside the Database Systems Homework 3 folder. The main Python file is app.py, which contains all the backend logic for connecting Flask to MongoDB. The templates folder contains index.html, which serves as the front-end web page. And requirements.txt lists all the dependencies used for deployment. Let's take a look at the code. At the top, I imported Flask, PyMongo, and Object ID from the Bison package for handling MongoDB documents. I also set up a secret key for Flask messages and load my MongoDB connection string from an environment variable called MongoDB URI. The connection line here is defined by these 3 lines of code, and it establishes a connection to the Cloud MongoDB Atlas cluster and selects the Homework 3db.users collection. I also have 3 main routes: /displays all users from the MongoDB collection. Then we have /insert1, which inserts a single record. And finally /insert many, which parses a JSON array and inserts multiple records at once. The insert many function uses Python's JSON loads to validate that the user input is a list of dictionaries. If the JSON is invalid, it shows a flash message instead of crashing the app. Now let's look at the front end. The web interface has 2 main input sections: single user form for inserting 1 record, and bulk JSON text area for inserting multiple users at once. It also displays a user list below, showing all entries pulled directly from MongoDB. I used Jinja templating in Flask to loop through the database records dynamically, which is showed by this line of code here. This ensures that every time we refresh, we see live updates from the database. Next, let's test the project locally. Now I'll insert a single user named Jason, age 21. You can see it appears in the list immediately, meaning it's saved in MongoDB. Next, I'll demonstrate insert many. I'll paste this JSON array right here where we have Alice, Bob, Charlie, Diana, Ethan, and Fiona with all their ages. After clicking add many, the app flashes a success message. Both records appear on the web page. Now, let's go to my MongoDB Atlas Data Explorer. As you can see, the same records are all visible under the Homework 3db.users collection. This confirms my Flask app is correctly reading and writing to MongoDB Atlas in real time. So after testing locally, I deployed the entire project to Render. I pushed my code to GitHub, and in Render I configured root directory, Database Systems Homework 3, build command, pip install r requirements.txt, start command, python app.py, and I also added the environment variables, MongoDB URI for the connection string, and DB name for the database name. Once deployed, my project became publicly accessible at Database Systems Homework3.onrender.com. In conclusion, this project has helped me to practice connecting Flask to MongoDB Atlas, handling both single and multiple inserts using insert many, and deploying a live backend app using Render. The system works smoothly, and all changes reflect instantly on my MongoDB Atlas page. That's it from me, and thank you for watching.